this video, we're unboxing the diesel fuel line bleeding tool. Product description: it includes one bleeding device, 6 sets of fuel line adapters, paired with a pair of gloves and an instruction manual. Let us move on how to use this diesel fuel line bleeding tool. To bleed the air out of the engine's fuel system, first locate the fuel pump on the engine. Remove the return fuel line. Inside the kit, pick the right adapter to install. This time, we choose this one. Then disconnect the adapter fitting. Now, connect the adapter to the vehicle's return fuel line. Remove the hand-operated compressor. We can notice the arrow on top of the airbag. The arrow shows the direction of diesel flow. This side needs to be installed toward the fuel pump side, and this side connects toward the fuel tank side. First, install it well. Then squeeze the airbag that pulls the diesel through. You can see the fuel getting drawn up. Keep squeezing until no more air bubbles come out. Remove the hose of the airbag. Remove the other side hose as well. Remove the adapter. Plug the fuel line back in and restore the original setup.